The question, can type be changed, is actually asked quite frequently. Or what can I do to alter or change my personality type? Other similar questions may be, I wish I'm more outgoing. Remember, every personality type has its strengths and weaknesses. There is no ideal type. However, we still ask, can I change my personality type? Unfortunately, the answer is not that simple. According to most personality type theories, the individual's type is inborn and does not change. However, it can be developed. Myers and Briggs believe that healthy individual growth encouraged personality growth. This means that one's personality and the ability to adapt to opposite traits is possible and even important. Let's go back to the hierarchy of preferences, which would be the dominant function, auxiliary function, tertiary function, inferior function, or the fourth function. Part of individual growth is over time as these other functions will develop. The dominant function will develop from birth to age 7. At this point, a person will develop their auxiliary function until approximately age 20. This is when the tertiary development begins from 20 to age 40. The inferior function develops last in life. As an example, let's look at the ESTP. They have a dominant function of sensing, auxiliary function thinking, tertiary function feeling, inferior function intuition. The ESTP will develop sensing first until age 7, thinking second during age 20, feeling from age 20 to age 40, and intuition at the end of their lives. So, what can you do to develop the less used functions? Try creating new habits and pushing yourself, but just a little bit. You don't want to frustrate the learning process or make yourself so uncomfortable that you quit. For example, I was silent, quiet, intimidated, too scared to speak up or even share my voice. But I wanted to be a teacher. This meant I would have to be more extroverted. I worked on setting small goals to increase my ability to talk to others. For several months, I had a daily goal to speak to one stranger daily by simply offering a compliment. It went a long way as I learned it was okay to speak to others. Nothing catastrophic would happen if I were more outgoing. However, I still need to be on my own to recharge through reading, journaling, pondering. I need that quiet. Each of us may need to develop the opposite characteristic trait to survive and even thrive in our environments. Let's look at the characteristics of an extrovert and an introvert. An extrovert is initiating, expressive, gregarious, active, and even enthusiastic. An introvert is receiving, contained, intimate, reflective, or quiet. When I looked at these traits, I chose initiating to work on by offering a compliment to a stranger once a day. As you move forward with a desire to grow, look at the characteristic for each of the pairs and set small, achievable goals. When you feel tired, pull back to your comfort zone for a little while.